Weather starting to see a change though. It looks as though we are going to see some pretty wet and windy weather, not for all but for some of us, as this area of low pressure continues to push in north across us overnight. It's going to bring some pretty persistent rain to Scotland, accompanied by some strong to gale force gusts of winds as well. For England and Wales, we see a mild night to come. In fact, lows between around 10 to 13 degrees, cloudy but largely dry here. We could even see a little bit of brightness actually first thing in the morning through central and eastern areas, but further west we've got this conveyor belt of rain driven up by the strong southerly winds, which will sit fairly persistently across much of Scotland throughout the day, and also for Northern Ireland as well. Some heavy pulses in the Irish Sea, certainly worth bearing in mind if you're taking a ferry crossing. Central and southern areas of Scotland as well will stay grey, wet and windy throughout the afternoon. Not too bad to the north of the Great Glen. Highest values 13 or 14 degrees. To the east of the Pennines, we keep the cloudier skies, some brightness from time to time, still pretty windy in comparison to today's weather. Highs over around 16 degrees in the London area. That's still above the average for this time of the year. And as we push further south and west, we enter into this band of showery rain across Devon and Cornwall. If you're out with the kids, because it's still half term for many, well, it certainly looks as though we're going to see the showers across much of Wales as well. And in fact, if you're driving home for your Friday evening, that cloud and rain continues to push easterly direction throughout Friday evening. What's in store for the weekend? Well, I can promise you a showery start, pretty windy as well, but there'll be more significant rain, I suspect, arriving in from the west.